So, I'm just going to show you a little something in Arkansas. Well, Arkansas. You're not allowed to say Kansas, but... Okay, so there's heat lightning, like, back here. I'm not going to say, like, where I live, because that'd be bad. But every once in a while, it'll just pop up. So, kind of, like, look. In Arkansas, you got bad winds, and it tears your roof up, like, badly. My trampoline is way over there. And you also got bad flooding. I'm just going to show you what it does to your roof. Don't know if you can see that, but I'm missing over half my roof. It just ripped to shreds. There it is. I don't know if I caught that or not. It's heat lightning. Some may call it demonic, some may not. It's just not good for you. So, we got coyotes out here. I'm trying not to get in the darkness, or they can kind of get me. Oh, by the way, there's a prison over there. So, it's also bad. But if there's anybody on this land, I mean, just waiting for some heat lightning. Give me some heat lightning. Just a little will do. Just a little. It's pretty bad stuff. It's far away, so we're safe. You can't even hear the thunder of it, but I don't think it has, like, thunder. It's heat lightning. Sometimes you can hear it. It has to be, like, within 10-15 miles of you for you to be able to hear it. I guess I caught it once, I don't know. Oh, man, go down there. I'm just trying to find some lightning. Around there. I guess I won't be able to catch it again. It's kind of rare to see heat lightning. I'm just gonna zoom in and see if I can't find one of my cows. Probably not. There's horses and cows back here. I got a Brahma bull somewhere. I'll post more videos about, like, the land and stuff, and if anything else goes weird. Cause one time I had a encounter, like, somebody I guess escaped from prison and then made it weird. He was screaming like blood curdling screaming down in the field down there. Way down there. Way down there. Still made me scared. A dude came pounding on our door one time.